Hey, what is up guys? My name is Ingrid and this is my BMW. It's a 2005 E46 330 Xi. I've owned this car for over a year right now, and for the past year I've been doing my own work to the car. Since taking it to the shop, it is gonna cost a lot. Like, I learned from the YouTube channels and going to a auto shop here in town. It helped to get the idea how to do the stuff, and now I think I'm ready to start my own YouTube channel and share the knowledge I've got. Many things to the car, and I'm going to be posting a like 3 pictures of the notes that I've written down, whatever I've done to it, and some of them I'm going to describe or redo to show you guys how to do it your own. And everything started with rear trailing arm bushing that the BMW wanted over 1,000 to do it, and I did it for just 50 bucks for the part, and then I did it myself. The oil housing gasket is the one that I haven't done myself, and the alignment too. And the number 30 buffing and polishing is to be done. It is not done yet. Everything else is what I've done. Those stickers though, it is barely noticeable in person, but I like it. Anyways, so those angel LED lights is one of them, the M3 stripe, which makes it look kind of fake, but I'm not too worried about it. It is not an M3. Same thing for the vent, the air vent there. I try to keep it as clean as possible, but it is about to rain, and it is not in its best shape right now. Okay, so let's take a look at it. All around it has some rust spots, which I'm gonna be working on, and I'm gonna record everything from now on to show you guys how you can repair and fix the car yourself. Let's go in the interior. Okay, and the steering leather is one of the other jobs I've done to it. I bought this on eBay and I saw it myself. The touchscreen radio, it is another one, and I have installed a backup camera as well. I'm gonna show you in a second. Okay, there you can see. I'm very happy with it. It is not the best quality. Same thing for the radio. I try to get it to get the stuff not the most expensive that is out there, but whatever I can afford, and I'm very happy so far. Okay, now you can see there is a lot of the M3 sign everywhere in my car. I would love to have an M3 car, an M3 BMW, but I'm happy with what I got. There is the shift knob. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. I love driving stick. I will try to post as many details from what I'm gonna be doing in my car, and I'll try to post on my channel twice a week. I'm looking forward to do more stuff to this car. Probably customize it. There is some stuff already that I don't like to it, as you can see here. Okay, there is a rust spot that I'm gonna be fixing soon. Everything is stuck in this car, but as you can see, it's a big space between my wheel well and my wheel. The rear doesn't look that bad. It's kind of lowered, but the front one is too high, which I don't like, but I will see what I can do about it. Anyways guys, so this is gonna be my first video. Don't judge me for the quality, I'm just using my phone for recording, and looking forward to see you guys in the future for all the work I'm going to be doing to this car, so stay tuned.